Are you seriously going to spend the next 10 years dealing with nightmare clients and dealing with scope creeps? Let's face the cold, hard truth. You have hit a hard wall, a financial ceiling, because there are only so many hours that you can physically work in a week. If you are an interior designer, a contractor, or an architect, you are probably completely burned out by the endless one-on-one grind. I'm here to tell you that you should seriously consider not trading your precious time for dollars anymore and possibly start building scalable assets. Because I tell you, a lot of people have done it, a lot of professionals have done it, and they are thriving. I'm Lisa Sabala. I'm the founder of 8.8 Virtual Assistants and Avenue Funnels. And today I'm going to inject an idea, exactly how you can package your service expertise into a highly scalable digital product. Stick with me until the very end of this video because I'm going to reveal the exact tech infrastructure we use to turn dead end leads into automated cash. Because let's face it, you do not need to pause your main business or build a massive, overwhelming masterclass to make this work. Because honestly, you are massively overthinking what a digital product actually needs to be. It doesn't have to be complicated. Your market, your target audience, your target customers, they do not want hundreds of hours of video content. No one's gonna have time to watch that. What do they really want? They want a shortcut. Your customers are going to happily pay for a shortcut to a highly specific problems solution. Think about the internal assets, spreadsheets, calculators that you already built for your own daily operations. You have those resources already sitting in a gold mine. Let's do a quick lightning round now to completely fire up your imagination. Okay, so stick with me. These are just suggestions of simple digital products you can build once and sell forever, again and again, inside your own dashboard. For those who are contractors, service contractors, you could have a material cost estimator sheet that keeps homeowners from going over budget. For interior designers, you could have a plug and play room by room lighting and layout guide. For the gym and fitness owners, this one's actually very scalable. How about a 28-day macro tracking spreadsheet for your new members? This is going to increase member retention. How about for architects? You could have a blueprint review checklist for first-time home buyers. If I was a first-time home buyer, I would appreciate having a checklist. That way I'm guided, right? As for coaches and educators, you could have a set of client communication email templates that will stop scope creep before it even starts. Because I know there are a lot of low ballers who ask about your pricing, but they never really convert into actual paying clients. See how simple that was? I'm sure you have better ideas for digital products to create once and sell multiple times over. And these are tools you already know inside out because you use them every day in your work. It takes zero extra research for you to create them because you use them every single day already. You are the expert, and your credentials and experience will make your product all the more legit. But here is what most business owners get completely stuck. Because they buy into the lie that they need a massive, overpriced software stack just to sell a simple PDF or mini course. That could not be more false. Because why would you wipe out your entire profit margins before you even launch, right? So when we were looking for a clean solution for our own agency, for 8.8 and our clients, we stumbled across System.io. Honestly, it completely changed how we look at digital delivery because instead of paying hundreds of dollars a month for 4 different tools, we put everything inside one dashboard on System.io. It handles the landing pages, the digital delivery, and the checkout process without the usual tech headache. There's no need to connect stuff on Zapier. There's no need to automate one app talking to another app. It's all there. Everything is on System.io. Because your profit margin on a digital product should be as close to 100% as possible because it is possible. Now listen closely because this next step is where the real business transformation happens. Once your product is hosted inside System.io, you set up an automated checkout funnel with a built-in order bump. So for example, when a prospect buys your $97 renovation guide, for example, the platform can instantly offer them a $37 spreadsheet add-on with a single click. It's like the candy bars that you see at the checkout lane when you're about to exit the grocery store and you tell yourself like, oh, I should get a candy bar too. That's an order bump. The same exact principle, only applied in the digital space. You will be multiplying your average customer value completely on autopilot. But let's talk about your dead-end leads too, okay? What about the people who call you up, ask for a custom quote, but simply cannot afford your $5,000 custom design or contracting package? Those are the ones that we call joy inquirers or scope creeps. Right now, you are just throwing those leads in the trash, unfortunately. But with System.io running quietly in the background, you can instantly downsell them to your digital product instead. If they can't afford your flagship product or your flagship course or flagship offer, you can still monetize that lead. You still solve their problem, but you don't spend a single second of your personal time fulfilling the work because they can just buy your digital product on Autopilot. System.io will automatically process the payment. It applies the tag to their profile and delivers the product to their inbox in seconds. And get this, it runs flawlessly while you sleep. So it is true, you can make money while you're sleeping, while you are out on a live job site, even if you're off grid, or while you are spending time with your family and can't go near your laptop, you will still make the sale because it runs on Autopilot. But let us be firm about how a real CEO executes this strategy. As a true boss, you should not be the one wasting your late nights trying to format the PDF or connect Stripe accounts or troubleshoot your landing pages. Your only job is to be the visionary. Just start with building the product, create the concept of the product. That is where your core job lies. You gather your existing templates, you can record a few quick audio notes and make the executive decision to launch. The only thing you need to do is to pass over those raw assets to your team or your dedicated virtual assistant, and you let them build the entire engine inside the platform System.io. Now at 8.8, we use System.io every single day because it is the easiest, in my opinion, it is the easiest dashboard for an outsourced team to manage without getting confused. It's just like really, really easy to navigate. And for you as a business owner or CEO, that is how you transition from an exhausted technician, frustrated technician, to a highly profitable, highly leverageable business owner. I mean this from the bottom of my heart. Please, you need to stop letting operational burnout dictate the financial future of your brand. And if you want to stop doing the heavy lifting and start building a team that handles the tech for you among other back-end operations, you need to watch this next video because I will show you how to hand off your assets and delegate tasks like an absolute boss. I will see you there.